In the beginning, there was nothing. Then, in an instant, everything came into being. The Big Bang erupted approximately 8 billion years ago, marking the birth of our universe. In those first fractions of a second, the cosmos expanded at an incomprehensible rate, faster than the speed of light. As it cooled, fundamental forces separated and the first subatomic particles formed. Within minutes, protons and neutrons combined to create the nuclei of the lightest elements, hydrogen and helium. For hundreds of thousands of years, the universe was an opaque fog of hot plasma. As it continued expanding and cooling, atoms formed when electrons were captured by nuclei. Suddenly, light could travel freely, and the universe became transparent. This early light still permeates the cosmos today as the cosmic microwave background radiation. For millions of years, the universe was dark. Slowly, gravity began to pull matter together into denser regions. Around 400 million years after the Big Bang, the first stars ignited, illuminating the cosmos. These early stars were massive and short-lived. When they exploded as supernovae, they scattered heavier elements into space, enriching the interstellar medium. New generations of stars formed from this material, including some with planets orbiting them. Galaxies began to take shape, starting as small, irregular clumps and merging over time into larger spiral and elliptical structures. Our own Milky Way galaxy likely formed about 6 billion years ago. Over billions of years, galaxies clustered together through gravitational attraction, forming the large-scale structure of the universe we see today, a cosmic web of galaxy filaments separated by vast voids. About 6 billion years ago, in an unremarkable region of the Milky Way, a cloud of gas and dust began to collapse. At its center, pressure and temperature rose until nuclear fusion ignited, and our sun was born. Surrounding the young star, a swirling disk of leftover material gradually coalesced into planets. Earth formed about 5 billion years ago, along with the other planets of our solar system. Early Earth was a hellish place, bombarded by asteroids and comets, but these impacts also delivered water and organic compounds. The young planet heat drove robust volcanic activity, helping form the early atmosphere. As it cooled, liquid water accumulated on the surface, forming the first oceans. Within these primordial seas, the chemistry of life began to emerge. The earliest evidence of life on Earth dates back to about 5 billion years ago, though it may have started even earlier. Single-celled organisms dominated for billions of years, slowly increasing in complexity. Photosynthetic bacteria appeared, dramatically changing Earth's atmosphere by producing oxygen. This great oxygenation event, starting around 4 billion years ago, paved the way for more complex life forms. The first multicellular organisms evolved about 600 million years ago, leading to an explosion of diverse life forms during the Cambrian period. Fish, amphibians, reptiles, mammals, and birds all appeared over the following hundreds of millions of years. Dinosaurs rose to dominance but were wiped out 66 million years ago when a massive asteroid struck Earth. This extinction event allowed mammals to flourish and diversify. Humans are newcomers to this cosmic story. Our species, Homo sapiens, evolved in Africa roughly 300,000 years ago. We spread across the globe, developing complex societies, agriculture, and technology. In the blink of an eye on the cosmic timescale, we've gone from stone tools to space exploration. Today, we find ourselves living in a vast, expanding universe. Billions of galaxies, each containing billions of stars, stretch out in all directions. Many of these stars host planets, some potentially harboring life. Dark matter, invisible but detectable through its gravitational effects, makes up most of the universe's mass. An even more mysterious dark energy appears to be accelerating the universe's expansion. As we peer deeper into space with ever more powerful telescopes, we're also looking back in time. The light from distant galaxies has traveled for billions of years to reach us, showing us the universe as it was in the remote past. This allows us to piece together the story of cosmic evolution, from the first stars to the intricate structures we see today. Our understanding of the universe has come a long way, but many mysteries remain. What exactly is dark matter? What is the nature of dark energy? Are we alone in the cosmos? The search for answers continues, driving us to explore further and probe deeper into the nature of reality. As we look to the future, the fate of the universe remains uncertain. If the current acceleration continues, the cosmos may expand forever, growing colder and darker. Galaxies will drift apart, stars will burn out, and even matter itself may eventually decay. Alternatively, if the expansion reverses, the universe could collapse back in on itself in a big crunch. Or perhaps some as yet unknown physics will lead to a different outcome entirely. Whatever the ultimate fate of the cosmos, our place within it is both humbling and awe-inspiring. From the fiery birth of the universe to the complex life and consciousness we experience today, we are part of an ongoing cosmic story. Each atom in our bodies was forged in the hearts of stars that lived and died long ago. We are, in a very real sense, children of the cosmos, uniquely positioned to contemplate our own origins and the vast universe that surrounds us. As we continue to explore and understand our universe, we push the boundaries of human knowledge and capability. From particle accelerators probing the fundamental nature of matter to space telescopes peering into the depths of time and space, our quest for understanding drives technological innovation and inspires new generations of scientists and explorers. The history of the universe is a story of constant change and evolution, from the simplest subatomic particles to the most complex structures we know. It's a tale of destruction and creation, of endings and new beginnings. And it's a story that continues to unfold, with each new discovery adding another page to this grand cosmic narrative.